is that we get that you don't intend to do it. No one does, right? No one intends to go.
Right from the start, Judge Fleischer isn't just warning, he's teaching. Notice how he builds a moral argument before even mentioning punishment. It's not about the law yet. It's about accountability. That line, "You can lie to me, but not to yourself," hits harder than any sentence. Be honest, do you think he's preaching or protecting?
Go out and kill someone in a car, but it happens. And when you do...
This section cuts deep. When he says Harris County leads the nation in DWI deaths, it's not a statistic, it's a wake-up call. He's turning a courtroom into a public service announcement. This is Fleischer's signature move. Make the law personal. You can see the frustration. He's not mad at one defendant. He's mad at a broken pattern.
There's serious justice. DWI is big business in the United States. It's expensive. And here, every single day in Harris County, someone dies from a DWI or an alcohol-related collision. Every single day. We lead the nation per capita in DWI fatalities. It's a disgusting statistic. And it's so avoidable because literally all you have to do, one button on a phone, $30, anywhere you want to go in the city, no matter where you want to go. How much money have you spent on all this here? When it's a rhetorical question. What I'm trying to get you to understand, it's $30 anywhere you want to go. This is going to go on your record. Today is that proverbial slap on the wrist, but from now on, you will be facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. And if you act like a child, where you can't control yourself to get in a car when you've gone out on a night of drinking, then we will treat you like a child. And like I told you earlier, or I didn't know if I told you, but we have a lot of kids in there. Some kids are young. Some kids are 60 that never grew up. You give up a lot of rights by entering this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty to an offense, it will go on your record. It'll be there for the rest of your life. You can never take it off. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the office of driving while intoxicated?
Say guilty or no contest?
It's guilty.
Guilty?
Yeah. I will find you guilty, sentence you to 3 days in jail, give you credit for the 2. I have to suspend your license. I will suspend it for 90 days, which is the minimum. Do not drive. And I'm absolutely serious. Driving on a suspended license is a Class B, just like a DWI. So if you get popped driving, then you're going to be right back over here and things will not go well. You understand? From now on, even if you pick up a suspended license, it's a minimum of 30 days in jail. You understand? Now, I told you DWI is big business. Is this a 15 or above, or is it just a regular DWI?
I don't believe it was a 0.15 above 0.15, but let me double check. Oh, actually, it was a 0.165, Judge.
Wow. Is it true or untrue that you had a 0.15?
Is it true?
True.
True.
The reason I'm asking you this is because now, instead of a $3,000 surcharge that you will owe to DPS, it's now $4,500 plus court costs of another $400. So it's now a $5,000 bill that you have to foot. And if you don't pay it, you sit in jail 1 day for every $100 that you owe.
So Judge,
I think that you wanted to tell me something, Ms. Spurlock, right?
Yeah, so Judge, he is working again. He makes maybe, it's going to be between $3,000 and $4,000 a month. He does pay his own rent, living expenses. Until recently, he was helping to support a girlfriend and children, but that has since not worked out.
Wait, say that again.
That relationship broke off, so he is now back to supporting himself. But when it comes to finances, he does have some issues where he's not really making that much money. So if you could help me on that fine, that would be.
I love to help people, but the problem is that I asked you to remain clean and sober. You test positive. What did he test positive for?
He was presumptive for THC, and he did state to our technician that he had consumed marijuana around a month ago.
I would told her I was a very heavy smoker prior to that, and I just got basically, excuse my language, my head out of my ass like a month and a half.
Here's where the hammer drops, but with restraint. The judge waives thousands in fines, but only once. This mix of mercy and menace is what keeps defendants in line. It's tough love, pure and simple. What do you think? Does this kind of leniency create change, or just delay the next mistake?
Ago, and that I read that on there, it can stay in your system longer than for 30 days. And I told her, I was like, I haven't smoked in 30 days, but prior to that, I was a heavy smoker, so it could still be
You
there.
still testify, you're still
I
your
understand.
thing.
I
You know,
understand.
how would I know
You
you
wouldn't.
didn't smoke a joint yesterday?
You wouldn't.
You know what I mean?
You would have to believe me, which is not a very easy thing to do right now.
Everyone tells me it's little bunnies jumping in the woods here. Everyone, you know?
I understand.
I want you to understand, Mr. Holland, that I'm not going to play this game with you again. You come back here with the DWI, it's a $6,000 surcharge, not to mention court costs. You can probably leave here owing around $7,000, not to mention a bunch of jail time. Heed this warning. You won't get another. I will reluctantly waive your cost today, but if you come back here with the DWI, get ready. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Use Uber. It's there for a reason.
Yes, sir.
All right. CC.
The 0.15?
True to the enhancement. Yeah.
No, we don't have it on the information.
Oh, is it not pled?
It
Your Honor,
won't be
it's
in the-
not pled on the.
Because it was probably, I guess, the blood warrant judge.
Got it. Okay. All right. So just don't do the enhancement then.
So you still want to do the, what the hell is it? Or the-
No, it's 3,000 because it's not. If it's not alleged, then we can't do it. But so the 3,000, we'll waive it, and then with the court costs. All right, but good luck to you. Remember, 30 days in jail from now on.
I won't do this again.
We'll see.